So this is a Microsoft Excel page, and you can see that this is the line color that you can see coming in default. And suppose if you want to change the line color, you can see an home. You must click this home at the top. Then you can if you click the home, then you have the options here, and from here you must select this one. Click here the border option, and the bottom there you can see line color. You must select this line color, and from here you can choose the color you want. For example, I am going to select blue color, light blue or dark blue, so I select this blue color, and after that I click here. Now if I want to change the line color using my mouse, I simply move my finger, draw like this, then you can see that the line color have been changed. So use your mouse and you can simply draw or change the color. Okay, if you want to select one more color, I will show you. You must from here you must choose the line color, and I am suppose going to select this red color. I choose this red, and if I going to, you can see that here the line color have been changed. So this is the method of changing the line color in Excel. So this video I will see. For more videos like this, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. Thank you.